Hello. So today we will do question number 11. It is given 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 till 1 upon n into n plus 1 to n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 3 divided by 4 to n plus 1 into n plus 2. See, this is our question, right? Now what we are going to do, same steps. Step 1 we have 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 1 by 6, and that side 1 into 1 plus 3 4 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 1, so 1 by 6. Therefore P of 1 is true because both the answers are 1 by 6. This side also answer 1 by 6, this side also answer 1 by 6 when n equal to 1. Step 2. P of k 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 into 4 till 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2 is equal to k into k plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 to k plus 2. Right, in this step we have just kept n equal to k. Wherever n is there we have kept k. Now step 3. See, step 3 will be p of k plus 1, right? P of k plus 1. But what happens till k? This value is there, okay? So this value I am writing directly only. K into k plus 3 divided by 4 into k plus 1 k plus 2 plus now k plus 1. So here wherever n is there you put k plus 1 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 here k plus 3. ठीक है, चलो. तो now what I am doing, that is from here I am taking common 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. So k into k plus 3 whole divided by 4 plus 1 upon k plus 3. Okay, from this I have taken 1 upon k plus 1 k plus 2 common. चलो, तो 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2 k into k plus 3 whole square plus 1 4 into k plus 3. One upon k plus 1 k plus 2 here here 4 will come, right? Cross multiplication, so here 4 will come. Yes, so k multiplied by k plus 3 whole square. So what I am doing over here, I am writing directly k cube plus 6k square plus 9k, and this 4 as it is. Now what to do? Okay, right? So now what we are going to do, we will do one thing, we will separate. See how we will separate. Now we have to think over here how we are going to solve. So we will do one thing, 1 upon k plus 1 and k plus 2 we will write here as it is. Here I will separate this 6k square, I will write it as 2k square. 9k I will write it as k. Why? But before that I will tell you, in 2k square and 6k square what is the difference? 4. So here 4k square. K, but we want 9k, so I will write here 8k and plus 4 as it is. Okay, so what I have done, I have just separated over here 2k square plus 4k square, so 6k square, 9k, so k plus 8k, so it is 9k, right? Why I have done this? Why I have done this? Because see, now listen, here what will happen, that is k plus 4, if I separate, see, I will do one thing, 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. If I separate k plus 1, it will be k plus 1 whole square, and here it will be k plus 4 whole divided by 4 into k plus 3. To get this I have done like this way. Okay, now our answer is, now we have got the answer. Now what we have to do, we have to just do one thing, that is k plus 1 here. Now if you see the RHS, now here we can write this like this way. See, k plus 1 Have you got what I have done? Here 4 is there, but here 3. How 3 came? K plus 1 into k plus 1, that is k plus 1 whole square. k plus 1 into 3. Now here if you will solve, you will get k plus 4 only, right? So I have done like this way. And denominator 4 into k plus 1 plus 1 and k plus 1 plus 2. So that is nothing but we have got our required answer. Clear? So I hope that you understood that sum. Now next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 we have. In this question, it is given that a plus ar plus till a into r raised to n minus 1 is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Right? So a plus ar square till a into r raised to n minus 1 is equal to a bracket r raised to n minus 1 by r minus 1. चलो तो स्टेप 1 n is equal to 1. So a into r raised to 1 minus 1, that is a into r raised to 0, that is a into 1, that is a only. Here n is equal to 1. A into r raised to 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1. R minus 1 cancel. A. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Now step 2. In step 2, P of k, a plus ar till ar raised to k minus 1 is equal to a into r raised to k minus 1 upon r minus 1. Step 3. So in step 3, what we have to do? This I am writing directly because P of k plus 1 is there. So after P of k it will come. So this as it is I am writing a into r raised to k minus 1 upon r minus 1 plus a into r raised to, wherever n is there put k plus 1. Okay. Chalo. So after this, a into r raised to k minus 1 by r minus 1 plus a into r raised to k. Now we will multiply r minus 1 on right side. So a to r raised to k minus 1 plus a into r raised to k into r minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So a into r raised to k minus a plus a into r raised to k plus 1 minus a into r raised to k divided by r minus 1. So a into r raised to k, a into r raised to k cancel. So our answer a common, r raised to k plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Therefore P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. So here our answer number 12 completed. Right, I hope that you understood this question. Now answer number 13. Answer number 13 is there. So I am erasing this right now. and answer number 13. One plus 3 by 1, 1 plus 5 by 4, 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square is equal to n plus 1 whole square. So here also we will use same method. Step 1, n equal to 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 3 by 1 square 1, 1 plus 3 that is 4. Same way here, 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 square is 4. Step 2, P of k. P of k is there, 1 plus 3 by 1, 1 plus 5 by 4, 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square is equal to k plus 1 whole square. Now step 3, P of k plus 1. So P of k plus 1 is there. So this I am writing directly, k plus 1 whole square. Now multiplied, 2 into k plus 1 so k plus 1 whole square as it is. Now we cross multiply, k plus 1 whole square into 1, that is k plus 1 whole square, plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by k plus 1 whole square. Now this k plus 1 whole square and this k plus 1 whole square cancelled, k plus 1 whole square plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. If I put here 1 square is 1 only, so it is k plus 1 plus 1 whole square. That's it. This is our answer. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Clear? So like this way we have to solve all the sums. So I hope that now you understood how we have solved all the sums. So next questions you try to solve on your own. Whichever questions you are able to solve, that you try to solve on your own. Okay? I will give you the solution. In the next video we will continue with the next type of sums. Okay? Thank you very much and have a great day.